Got him. Got him. He swallowed the hook. Yes. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Grabbed it. Son definitely grabbed it. Come on. It's a patience game, man. Truly. Oh, some on it. Some on it. Let's not quit though. Let's not give up.
I thought that turtle was on the alligator.
Eating the turtles, bro?
Nah, fishing.
Fishing? With the bread?
Mm-hmm.
What you fishing for?
Oh, I see
Bluegill,
I
bass,
see 2 turtles.
You caught anything?
catfish. Not yet.
You
Had,
ever caught anything?
yeah. Had like some fish on, but they let go.
Yeah.
They just let go, but we'll probably grab something in a moment.
Sure.
For sure, yeah.
See one of them turtles. Come on.
Yeah. Here it go right here, y'all. Here it go right here. Here it go right here. Oh yeah. Oh, bro, it was something big on there. Huge fish, bro. Catfish. Beautiful catfish. Got him. Got him. He swallowed the hook. Yes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There we go. Come to daddy. Come on. Oh yeah, she's a fighter too, y'all. Finally, man, I told y'all I was gonna catch you one on the camera. Beautiful catfish too. Beautiful catfish too. Whew. It's a big one, bro. I don't know how big it is, but we'll get him. Oh my gosh. This fish is oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Told you, bro, we're gonna catch something good, man. Woo! Woo! What is that? Look at that. Caught live, man. I told y'all stay consistent. I saw him at the bottom of the water. I saw him at the bottom, and I knew once he swallowed that bait, that's a blur, right? So I'm working on a strategy, seeing when to come out. And you know, they say nighttime fishing, you know, the catfish love to come out at this time. And we actually got a catfish on here. So we're gonna do a little catfish catch and cook for y'all right here, man. Oh, look, I'm very happy. I'm very pleased with myself. You know, I'm buy me a scale. Somebody in the comments buy me a scale, bro. Y'all know what I do, and y'all like what I do. Go ahead, buy me a scale, bro. Just swallowed my hook too, didn't he? This bad boy is definitely coming home with us. Ha! That's about I'd say about a 3-pound catfish. It's gonna eat good too.
Clean. A lot of people go from the top to the bottom, but easier. It cleans table cat. Told me over.
All right.
What do I have coming for you if I'm lying?
I
Coming
can't
for me if I'm lying.
can't tell you that, man. All right, these are the scraps that we have right here. We're gonna do another live feeding at the pond and just see. So the seasoning I put on this was salt, pepper, a bit of garlic powder, and yeah, butter for sure. Cooked on the skillet for 350, 6 minutes on each side. So it's still very flaky. Catfish, with this catfish, I noticed that it wasn't like a crispy type cook, but more like a sizzle aspect. I got some Zaxby sauce here, and we're gonna try it. So do me a favor, please. So let's see how this tastes. Wild caught right from the outdoors right to the kitchen table. So let's see. Let's really see how this goes. Thank you, Lord, for this food, labor, nourishment to our hearts, mind, body, and soul. And thanks for the hand that prepared, and thank you for your many blessings. Amen and amen. What it smell like?
Lemon pepper.
Okay, good. It smells like chicken.
You supposed to eat it without the sauce first.
Oh. Wow.
Not bad.
No. Wow.
Fish bites. Not bad.
The plate is empty, so I assume it was good. Minimal bones. The consistency of the meat was very steak-like, very flavorful. nutritious, and affordable, efficient. What do you think? You agree?
I agree.